to me a little bit. One of the terms I hear thrown around in the water softener business is upflow versus downflow. Can you tell me sort of what that and demystify that a little bit for everybody?
Sure. So that refers to the two types of technology when the water softener has to clean itself. There's resin in the tank that absorbs the magnesium and calcium, and when it has filled up and can't absorb any more, it has to be regenerated. So there's a combination of water and salts that goes to the resin tank. Now, the two technologies are downflow and upflow. Downflow is where it takes hard water, a lot more salt, and they force that solution down through the resin tank. The challenge with that is that it will address the resin that's been used and unused, so it'll wear out more quickly. And typically with downflow technology, it'll clean on a timer. Say, for example, every 2 weeks at 2 o'clock in the morning, let's go ahead and clean this tank. The challenge with that is what happens if your family of 4 is now a family of 8 and you run out of soft water? Upflow technology has a precise brine solution meant to address the amount of resin that has only been used. It's not going to touch the unused resin. So it'll expand and contract according to your needs. So for example, if you have guests come over for 2 or 3 weeks and you're now going through 800 gallons of water per day, it'll put enough resin aside of reserve capacity to handle that need. And when your guests go home, it'll shrink back down to normal usage.
Right.
So it's green, uses up to 60% less salt, less water. It's also efficient, and it's more effective for the family.
Great. I appreciate Lester coming in and sharing all this information with us. This was probably one of the better talks I've ever had about water softeners. There's just a lot I don't know. And so I don't try to be an expert in everything. I try to be an expert in real estate. I turn over the expertise into people that I know and can trust, and Lester's one of those guys. So thanks for stopping by for the video today.